Can a small espresso machine like this actually make real espresso, or are you just pretending? Let's find out! Today I'm checking out the AMZCHEF Espresso Machine, a compact home espresso maker designed for espresso, cappuccino and latte. It promises a 20-bar pressure pump, fast heating and a built-in steam wand for milk drinks. And honestly, machines like this always make me a little skeptical. Sometimes they look great, but the espresso tells a different story. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. Let's quickly see what comes in the box. Inside you get the espresso machine itself. You also get the portafilter, single and double shot baskets, a measuring scoop with a temper, and the manual. Pretty much everything you need to start making espresso right away. First impression, it's actually pretty compact. So if you don't have a huge coffee corner or barista setup, this can easily fit on a small counter. The design is clean with a stainless steel style front, and the top you even get a little cup warming area, which is a nice detail. And the water tank is removable, which makes refilling super easy. It's powered by a strong heating system, which allows the machine to heat up quickly and reach the ideal brewing temperature. The machine also uses temperature control to keep the water stable during extraction. That helps produce a more balanced espresso shot. It comes with a 360-degree steam wand, so you can steam milk and create foam for cappuccino or latte. The removable 1.2-liter water tank is large enough for several drinks and makes refilling really easy. And the machine heats up in about 30 to 40 seconds, so you can start brewing pretty quickly. So today we are going to test it and see what it can actually do. First, I grind some fresh beans. Then I add the coffee to the portafilter. Distribute the grounds evenly and give it a nice tamp. Lock the portafilter into the machine. And now we press the brew button. You can choose between single shot and double shot. The stream looks smooth and the crema is building nicely on top. That is always a good sign. If you are into milk drinks, the machine also has a steam wand, so you can steam milk and make cappuccino or latte. With a little practice, you can get a nice foam. Of course, this isn't a 2000 euros cafe espresso machine, but for a compact home setup, this is actually impressive. And most importantly, you can actually make coffee without leaving the house. So overall, the AMZCHEF Espresso Machine is designed for people who want a simple and compact way to make espresso at home. It is easy to use, doesn't take up much space, and gives you the ability to make espresso and milk drinks wherever you want. Well, that's already a good start to the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.